Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few pieces, a haul. It's really small, but these are pieces that I ordered back in December, and some of them are just now rolling in. So this one is a order on Amazon, and I ordered some 5mm foam, and I ordered it, like I said, in December, and I am now just getting it. So yeah, so I don't know how much of a good deal that was, but it might as well have been coming from AliExpress, I guess. I don't know, but don't quote me. Maybe it was just my luck that it came late. So these were on Amazon, and I will probably not recommend to buy this again. Or I probably won't buy this again. If it's still available, I'll try to share the link. But I got this. Look at this. It looks like somebody packaged this at home, because this is like saran wrap. What the hell, Amazon? I mean, not that it's a bad thing, but I don't know. For as long as it took to get to me, I'm just a little, you know, weary. Anyway, these are the colors that came in this package. They're I think they're 9x9. Might be wrong. Hold on. So it is, oh, almost 10 inches. So 9 7/8 square. And we've got brown, like a baby blue, sky blue, a purple, orange, yellow, pink, a gray, another yellow. It's a pale yellow. It's kind of hard to tell with the green. And then we have the green and blue again, a different blue. And there's white, which we all can get at Hobby Lobby. I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me. Red and black. So that's the beautiful color assortment that I got on Amazon. And I believe this was, I don't know, I can't remember actually. Don't let me lie to you. So I will probably, if I could get the link, I'll share it in the description box below. But look at how much you get, guys. This is in different colors for 5mm. That's really good for me, as far as, you know, what I'm trying to do. Anyway, and I also got my Coco&Reno monthly subscription, and this month's set is a rosette collection, and it's winter. So there's the Christmas tree with stars on the top. This one I would use. It's a snowflake for Valentine's. It's got the hearts. This one is just a regular snowflake with diamonds. And then this one looks funky to me. It looks like an alien. And there's some shapes cut out. But these are really, really tiny, guys. And then you get 3 centers. You get the snowflake, the heart, and the star. And this is the Coco&Reno collection for the month of January. So let me measure how small these are. These are barely, okay, they're 5 3/4. 5 3/4 inches long, and they're probably an inch and a half wide at the tallest. Yeah, so they're all about 5 3/4. They're little teeny tiny rosettes, guys. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. So I could not believe that they sent out a rosette collection, snowflake even, and it's called the Snowflake Rosettes. Duh. Month of January. And yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You got 7 pieces in this month's collection, and they're very versatile. So, you know, go check them out. And I think, I'm trying to see if I have any others, but I think that is it. yeah, that's it, guys, for my online haul. I think I'm going to be getting some more pieces later. So we'll see. But thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up and all that good jazz. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.